In a world that never sleeps, the constant noise of life's demands begins to drown out the quiet rhythm of your own heart. We find ourselves tethered to glowing screens in the dark, caught in a cycle of being constantly on and never truly present. Look closely at the exhaustion you carry. It is a slow depletion. Your vitality fades against a backdrop of digital noise. But where is the energy going? There is an invisible leak, a subtle drainage caused by stress and the lack of boundaries. Life's daily pressures act like fraying ropes, snapping one by one, until your connection to peace feels dangerously thin. Tangled wires of overwhelm wrap your mind and cloud your emotions, creating a web of noise that prevents you from hearing your own body's needs. We often move through life in a gray haze, surrounded by artificial textures that cloud our senses and drain our natural vitality. Over time, our senses become dulled. Unlike sight or sound, smell is your most instinctive sense. It possesses a direct, high-speed pathway to the emotional center of your brain. It bypasses logic and connects directly to the deep reservoirs where your most primal memories are stored and retrieved. However, when this survival instinct is bombarded by synthetic toxins, it can no longer accurately protect you. This interference often happens silently in our own homes, where we expose our senses to synthetic fragrances and harsh chemicals more than we realize. They are found not only in perfumes, but in household products like laundry detergents, dish soaps, and floor cleaners. Worst of all, they hide in our daily toiletries, bath gels, shampoos, and face creams. Reducing this chemical load allows the body and brain to finally ease the burden of constant detoxification. Allow this olfactory reset to guide your senses and nervous system out of a defensive state. This process clears the clutter, letting your most instinctive sense breathe. Now, it is time to stop the drainage. Begin the process by finding the source of energy leakage. It's critically important to reconnect with yourself, making space for the various levels to realign: physical, emotional, psychological, and spiritual. This space of profound stillness is where healing can take its course. In the rush of modern life, many of us are running on empty and depleted. Beneath the surface lies an invisible chain of shadows from the past. These are our body's whispers, telling us to pause, no matter how much we yearn to move forward. Intervention is necessary to prevent stalling our recovery from life's setbacks. By healing the imprints of burnout, we seal the hidden sources of energy leakage. We guide the system into a receptive state. This allows stored pressure and trauma imprints to be released naturally, ensuring you are no longer trapped in vulnerability. We then ground the body's gravity to stabilize the energy field. This is the space where your vitality is replenished and fully restored, keeping you centered and emotionally resilient. If you are ready to release these burdens and step into your own true light, let the Chi Shield workshop be your turning point. The techniques within Chi Shield are designed to facilitate a release of the invisible emotional burdens held within the body. I look forward to walk this healing journey with you. See you in the upcoming Chi Shield workshop.